Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the population standard deviation function from the statics module in Python. So this function returns the population standard deviation, which is nothing but the square root of population variance. And the purpose of this function is to compute how spread out the numbers is in a data set when the dataset represents the entire population. So if we talk about the syntax of this function, then we have this keyword pstdev, which is population standard deviation, and then we have data as first argument and mu is the optional argument. So this data is nothing but it can be a list, tuple, or any other iterable containing numeric data, and this mu is the optional argument. This is the mean of the data set. So if you have already know the population mean, you can pass it here for efficiency. But if mu is not provided, the function calculates the mean internally. So let's say that I have a data set, or I have a list, basically list 1 equal to, in this I'm just going to give some random sample values: 1.5, 2.5, 2.75, 3.25, and 4.75. Now if I want to, okay, let me move this entire thing into the next cell because this is a markdown. So we have this list. Now if I want to calculate the population standard deviation of this list data, then I can simply use statistics.pstdev function. Before that, let me import this module first. So we have imported this module as s, so we can simply say s dot pstdev, and then I'm just going to give my data, which is list 1. So now if I run it, I can get the population standard deviation, which is 1.065. Similarly, if you want to calculate the population standard deviation for any other data type such as tuple or any other iterable containing the numeric data type, then you can use this pstdev function from the statics module in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.